how to remove the blade from the Stanley FATMAX utility knife. So first you want to open up it like that. Then we want to pop the blade out. So you press this button down here at the top. See it? Press that down. Push it forward. That will expose the blade. And to change it, you want to press this red button here. It is a little fiddly. So you press that down and the blade will pop out. To put one back in, press that red button down, put the blade in, and you should hear, see that come out, you should hear a pop. There you go. And then it'll be stuck in. So hopefully that helps you out how to remove the blade from the Stanley FATMAX utility knife. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and most of all, thanks ever so much for watching.